I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Our highs tomorrow continue to be much warmer in the mid-70s to the low 80s. A few thunderstorms develop in eastern Colorado and the Panhandle tomorrow afternoon, but they will weaken as they move to the east tomorrow night. A warm front lifting northeast leads to highs in the mid-70s to the mid-80s Saturday and widespread highs in the 80s on Sunday. South winds are breezy on Saturday with afternoon gusts to 30. As the cold front tracks to the southeast, a slight chance of rain returns for Sunday night. Behind the front, highs are more seasonal in the mid-60s to the low 70s for Columbus Day and Tuesday, with weak disturbances tracking southeast. Low-end chances of occasional showers and thunderstorms continue Monday night into Wednesday. Increasing sunshine by Wednesday, warming those highs into the low to mid-70s. Staying mild in the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures continue Tuesday through October 22nd for Nebraska and Kansas. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall indicated to be above normal Tuesday through October 22nd. Higher rain chances are during the middle to late part of next week in Nebraska and western Kansas. In the regional drought monitor, a drier week led to a 3 percentage point drop to 63% drought-free in Nebraska. Abnormal dryness continues along the Hamilton-York County line, also from northwest Lincoln County into much of the Sandhills, much of the north central to the northeast, as well as far eastern and western areas of the Panhandle. Coverage of moderate drought is steady at 9% of Nebraska, including the northwest corner of the Panhandle to around Alliance and north of Sidney. Kansas saw a 1 percentage decrease to 81% drought-free. Abnormal dryness continues in many areas from eastern Jewell County to the northeastern corner, as well as portions of far eastern Kansas. There was a 3 percentage point increase to 8% of Kansas in moderate drought, including western Republic County, northern Clay County, much of Potawatomi County, and at locations along the Missouri border from near Kansas City to the southeastern corner. Key weather factors affecting the markets include rain moving across the U.S. this weekend and next week, increasing rainfall for central Brazil, and additional rain chances across the rest of South America and parts of Europe. Areas of rain are possible across the plains this weekend with low pressure off the west coast moving through eastern Canada. A cold front stalls across the nation's midsection early next week, leading to additional chances of harvest delaying rain across the plains and Midwest, including possibly localized heavy amounts. Rain may push eastward later next week and weekend, but it's uncertain just how far east. In central Brazil, drier weather the last 2 weeks was unfavorable for early soybean establishment. Continuing widespread rainfall starting tomorrow in central Brazil, expected to be more supportive of soybean planting and growth. Southern Brazil planting and early growth continues to benefit from rain this week. Argentina expects additional widespread rainfall this weekend, just before temperatures warm up for soybean planting later this month. Eastern Europe has benefited from consistent rain over the last week and expects more next week for increasing soil moisture. Spain expects lighter rain over the next few days, which is very needed for winter wheat establishment. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.